Google's Nano Banana image editor just launched, and I'm already seeing a lot of creators use it to generate content 10x faster than traditional ways. If you start to use it right now, you'll have a massive head start on generating your content, be it graphic generation, image editing, or thumbnail generation, or any kind of graphics you want to generate. Google's this free AI tool is helping you do that without any charges as of now. So this is Google Gemini, and here you can access the Nano Banana over here. If you click over here, you get an option of create image, and you click on this, and you all you have to do is just upload your image. So for example, if I upload my image, an image of mine which I just uploaded, and I would say make me stand on a stage with all the limelight on me. So I'll just hit enter. So you'll see it is generating the result. Result is here, and I am shocked and amazed by the result it has provided. So you can see the clarity. Nobody can say that it is AI generated, and you can use it anywhere and everywhere. It's that good. And if you have already tried out ChatGPT image generation, it is nowhere close to this. Let's just use this image and try to change the outfit. So I just picked an outfit from Google image, and I've uploaded over here. So I'll just ask Gemini to change my outfit from my original photo. The result is here, and here it is how it looks after changing the outfit. It has not removed the sleeves because obviously I did not give that much of prompt. The prompt was vague, so that is why this has happened. It is still the best image editing tool. Let's understand that as well. This is my YouTube thumbnail, and I've asked it to change the text from here, and let's see what kind of outcome we get now. So if you are using Google Gemini Banana under a free plan, so you'll get this kind of disclaimer once you have generated a few images. So I will give you a hack where you can actually generate endless amounts of images without any limitation. So watch out very closely. So the result is here, and you can see there has been a typo for sure, which we can get it corrected by giving another prompt. But you can see the cleanliness without making the image looking like a wax. If you have generated images on OpenAI and ChatGPT, you have already experienced that how OpenAI makes your actual image look like a wax face. You don't see these kind of wax faces, be it this image or this generated image. You see the clarity over here is like really recommendable, the job which Google has done. Thank you and congratulations for following till here, because here's the bonus tip for only for you, for those who have made it till here, because I'm gonna unreveal that how you can use Gemini without buying any paid subscriptions for Gemini, and how you can generate unlimited images and graphics without paying anything to anyone, and how you can do that is what we are going to be covering in next few minutes. So this is LM Arena, where you can actually generate endless number of images through Google Banana, and you can see over here Gemini 2.5 Flash Image Preview Nano Banana, and there is no limitation as of now when I'm recording this video. There's no limitation because this is an open repository where these people are taking feedback from real humans on the kind of images which has been generated. So for that time being, I don't know for till when this is gonna be for free, but as of now it is free, so make the most use of it. So I'll just upload an image over here and give a prompt. So I've given my prompt, and I'll just gonna hit enter, and it's gonna use Nano Banana to generate this image, and let's see what kind of output we get. So you can see the output is already here, and you can it has changed my face, but it is still a lot 100 times better than what OpenAI has been doing. And you can see it has changed my expression and everything. It has kept everything same, but very well followed my prompt I've given, and this is the kind of output it gets. And you can obviously get the images created from here and animate it using Google Flow Labs. And if you are not aware that how to use Google Flow Labs, that I have already recorded a lot of tutorials on how to use Flow Labs, which you can find over here. You can refer to that and get the images created from here and animate over there. So that's how amazing Google has been launching products back to back, and you got to catch hold of it, because if you're not using this, you're already getting into the traditional ways. With the launch of this, a lot of graphic designers and agencies are kicked off, because this is getting done things by just a prompt. If you have followed me till here and want to understand that how you can use this on automation using N10 dashboard, then comment N10 in the comment section and I will record a standalone video for how to integrate Nano Banana with N10 so that you can keep on generating your images on automation without switching to portals.